English 2 class. So children, we have already done, I have already sent you the question answer of Partho the Park Keeper. And have you seen the cuckoo bird? We have already done. Lost laugh also you have already written question answers. Today we will do the book exercise and question answer of the poem The Sun. Okay. So you all open, children, page number 31. The exercise part is given on page number 31. So you all open this page number 31. The Sun explanation. I hope you've understood the poem. We have done it. Now we will first do the exercise part. Okay. So first is understanding the poem. Open page number 31. Understanding the poem. Answer these questions. Tick the correct sentences. The speaker thinks that the sun. Now see, few sentences are given और जो सही है you will put a tick, जो गलत है you will put a cross. So let's see first one. Sleeps at night. Correct. So A1 you will put tick. B. Hides behind the hills. Correct. You put a tick. Then C, D, E, F and G. It is given. C1 becomes the moon in the night. Correct. The poet thinks, the speaker thinks that the sun becomes the moon in the night. It is also correct. Hides behind the clouds at night. No. The speaker has not mentioned anything of this sort. So this is wrong. Put a cross. D1 cross. E goes back to its home to sleep. Yes. So E is correct. F hides in the forest. Yes. No. The poet, as the speaker has not mentioned anything that the sun hides in the forest. So we will put a cross. And G goes around the earth. Yes. So you see, children, A, B, C, E, G is correct and D, F, it is wrong. Now 2, 3, 4 is question answer, so I will write it on the board. Now we will do words in use. Find the opposite of these words in the poem. So I am going to write it here. First one is wake up. Wake up matlab utna. What is the opposite of wake up? Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Second one is cooling. Cooling matlab ठंडा होना. What is the opposite of cooling? Warming. W-A-R-M-I-N-G. W-A-R-M-I-N-G. Warming. Third, inside means under. Opposite of inside is outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. Now fourth one, quickly. Opposite of quickly is slowly. S-L-O-W-L-Y. Slowly. Okay. So sleep. Second, warming. Third, outside. And fourth is slowly. Now turn the page. Page number 32. Now here it is. Find all the 8 pairs of the words that rhyme in the poem. Rhyming, as I told you earlier also, that sounds same. Okay, so we have to find 8 pairs that are sounding same, rhyming words. So first one is already given, bright night. Now we will do the second one. Second one, you can write height, sight. H-I-D-E, height, sight. Okay, it is given in the poem now. See here. Does it sleep or does it hide, or is the moon its other side? So hide, sight. Okay. Third one is hills, chills. H-I-L-L-S. Hills. C-H-I-L-L-S. Chills. Fourth, rest, best. R-E-S-T. Rest. B-E-S-T. Best. ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. I hope it is visible. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. So first is height, side, hills, chills, rest, best, home, roam, around, town, that, flat, round, ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Okay. Now see B1. One more is left. The speaker talks about the sun as if it were a person. Take the sentences that shows this. Here you can see B1. First one is correct. Second, or is the moon its other side? It is wrong. Could it even have a home? Third one is correct. Okay. So first and third is correct and second one is wrong. So children, you can again take the screenshot of this and you can fill the exercise which is given in your book. Now children, we will do the question answer. Question number 2, 3, 4. So I hope you have taken the screenshot. So I am going to rub it. Okay. So question number 1. What does the speaker think? What does the speaker think the moon is? Think the moon is. This is the first question. Answer. The speaker thinks the moon is the other side of the sun. The speaker thinks the moon is the moon is the other side of the sun. Other side of the sun. Second question. Question number 2. According to the speaker, what is the sun's hiding place? According to the speaker, what is the sun's hiding place? What is the sun's hiding, yani chupna, hiding place? Answer number 2. According to the speaker, the sun hides behind the hills. According, A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G. According to the speaker, the sun hides behind the hills. The sun hides behind B-E-H-I-N-D, behind the hills. Third question is, actually it is question number 2 children, no? So we will do it like that. Okay. Question number 3 is, why does the speaker wonder if the sun needs to rest? Why does the speaker wonder, sun needs to rest. If the sun needs to rest. So answer number 3, I will write it here as it is not visible, I think. So I'm going to write it here. Answer number 3. Question number 3 is, why does the speaker wonder if the sun needs to rest? Answer number 3, I am writing it here. The speaker wonders if the sun needs to rest after spreading so much light and warmth all around the world. The speaker wonders. The speaker wonders. If the sun needs to rest. If the sun needs to rest after spreading so much light, I'm writing this question. So much light and warmth means garmahat, warmth, warmth all around the world, all around the world. Okay children, this is the third answer. So please complete these question answers in your English 2 copy. Exercise part children, you will not do exercise part, you will do in the book. Exercise जो है आपको book में ही करना है, कॉपी में सिर्फ question answers लिखने हैं. Okay, you will write only question answers in your English 2 copy. So that's all. Thank you.